Hi, it's Brian from Mr. Ding and Dent in Kenosha, Wisconsin. This morning I'm working on a 2015 Acura. There's a large dent in the trunk. Let's go check it out. Alright, let's take a closer look at the damage. So I'm measuring it out. It measures about 13 to 14 inches long. Goes just past the Acura logo, and it's pretty deep in spots, and there's also a spot that got hit pretty hard on the body line, so that's going to have to be recreated. But it's all going to be done with paintless dent repair. If you have any questions on any of the services listed, just give me a call, 262-359-1830.